Hello all, welcome to Cloud Technologies, and we are very happy to announce that we are going to provide a free course for Mulesoft for all the freshers and beginners and who want to learn Mulesoft from scratch. This is entirely free course which we are going to release on day by day basis. So it will be a 30 days course, so it is very helpful for you to learn Mulesoft from scratch. And we have explained this course with the real-time project. We have built a real-time project also. In order to explain that, we have created a couple of files and project code as well. So if you want to get those files and projects, please email us with this subject line, request to share level 1 course file. Also, we have an important announcement that we are planning to release a Mulesoft advanced level 2 course very soon. So in this course we will be discussing most of the topics of Mulesoft, which will help you very well in order to complete level 2 certification as well as to work on complex real-time projects as well. So I hope you will be enjoying that course as well. So if you want to know more details about advanced level course, please contact us via mobile or email. We will be sharing those details. So without further delay, let's get started. So we will see how to set up our system. So we need to install Java first. So this is the OpenJDK version we need to install in our system. If it is not already installed in your system, just go for this OpenJDK, and this links and all the information I will provide in detail in the video description, or maybe in comment or in the description itself, just to make it easy for you. So these are all the 9 steps we need to install and create account and all. We will go one by one. I'll explain you each step one by one. Okay. So in this video, in this link, it is for OpenJDK, right? Download the version which is specific to your operating system. I am using Windows, so I just downloaded Windows version of .msc. So it is getting downloaded. To install it, you need to just double click on it, and you just accept the defaults. You can click on next, and here this is the folder name where the Java is going to be created. Here you need to select the folder name. You can browse it by using this browse button. You can create a new folder somewhere in D drive, because just install all the things in one single drive, create one new folder, and install everything there in that same folder. That will be easy for you to remember, right? So that's why I'll create one folder which is called installations or something. I can create, yeah. So in this folder I can install all the softwares which we are going to use. To be frank, we don't need to install multiple things. All are very small softwares only. So I just create installations is the one folder. Inside that I'll create one folder called Java. I will select that folder and click on OK. So now if you can observe the location, it is showing your C drive and your path. Then you just click on install. It will take some time to complete the status. The status bar will show you the green at the end. So, and you will get one pop-up, like that's why you are seeing black screen here. You need to get one pop-up. Click yes on that pop-up, then the installation will start. It will take a couple of minutes to complete this installation. So once this Java is installed, we need to add environment variables also in our system. In our system environment variables, I'll provide those details as well. Yeah, it is installed. So just click on finish. It is the OpenJDK 11 version. That's okay. Just click on finish. And based on your operating system, if you are using Apple or Linux, just download that specific version from that link which I have provided. Okay. As mine is Windows, I just installed Windows 1. Now let's go back to that, and yeah, just go to that folder. You can see this is all the folders created as part of Java installations. Okay. Now you need to set up environment variables, as I said. To do that, or else let's see first if Java is installed correctly or not. Go to command prompt and type Java space -version. Once you click on enter, it will show you what is the Java version installed in your system. Yes, it is incorrectly installed. So to cross verify if it is installed correctly or not, just do this step before you proceed further. Now next step is to install Maven. Let's set up all the environment variables at once. Let's now install the Maven. Maven is actually a build tool which will package your application. We will see this what is build tool, how to package these applications and all in detail. Don't worry about this right now. Just follow these steps to get the installations done first to make your setup system is ready. So now just click on this maven bin.zip. It will download you a zip file. To install this, there is no installation just like Java we did, but we don't need to install anything. We need to just extract this folder zip file into some folder. So as we have already created the installation folder in the C drive, if I remember, yeah, C drive. Now create a new folder called Maven, and then inside that extract this zip file. You can just blindly follow these steps. Your system will be ready. Okay, don't worry. Now select this folder and yeah, installation Maven. Just click on extract. It will extract the Maven version into your Maven folder which you have selected. Okay, yeah. Now we need to set up all these 4 environment variables. Yeah, it is extracted the Maven 3.86. Okay, because 3.8.6 is the stable version to use in this Anypoint Studio and all. So as of now, just install the same version. Just I mean download the same 3.8.6 version. Actually, Maven is having 3.9 latest version now, but just select this 3.8.6 version, the link which I have provided. Okay, now go to this system environment variables. Okay, click on environment variables. You need to add all these environment variables one by one. I have just mentioned like Java installed path and Maven installed path here. There in that brackets. So what you have to do is like just to go to this system variables. If path is already available, or else like just click on new. Take one by one. Take that value Java underscore home and click the variable name here, and the value you need to provide the Java installed path, which means where you install your Java. Just go to that installation folder and the Java folder is there now. Just copy this path and give that path here in the variable value. Just click on OK. Now we have created one variable. Just like that you need to create other variables as well. Second one is class path. Class path is also Java installed path location. So just copy that, click on new, give the name as class path, give the value as Java installed path, just like the till the Java folder. Copy that and paste it in the value. Okay. Now the third one is path, but that path variable is already there in your system variables. Okay. With the small letters path, which is already available. So you no need to create a new variable. You can just click on edit and you can just give your Java path. To do this, you need to just open this bin folder and copy this path now. So java/bin, until this path you need to give. So path will be there already. So yeah, here is there. So don't click on new, just select that path and click on edit. Okay, that path is already there. So just click on edit and click on new, paste that value and click OK. By default, sometimes it will automatically pick up your value. So in that case, just check it and just cancel it. That's it. If the path is there, already there, you don't need to paste it again. Just cross check once for this path variable. Okay, then our next one is m2 home, m2 underscore home. This is your Maven installation path where you have extracted that Maven. So go to that installation, go to that Maven path and yeah, inside the bin path. So now copy this complete folder path here and go to your environment variables. M2 home will not be available by default, so you need to create new one. Click on new, type m2 underscore home. Sorry, by mistake I pasted this value here. Let me remove this. Okay, in the value we need to paste that value. Here type m2 underscore home. Oh, sorry, something happened with my keyboard. It automatically pasted it. Let me just verify this once. Yeah. Now in the variable value, just paste that value. It means like Maven / bin. Till that you should have, and all the capital letters. Please follow this capital letters. Okay. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now we have completed environment variable setup. Now to check if the Maven is installed correctly in your system or not, you can go to that command prompt and type mvn hyphen version. This is to check Java, right? Java space hyphen version. Just like if you want to test if Maven is also installed correctly, you need to type mvn space hyphen version version. Yeah, it is not recognized. Okay, I missed something. We need to add this Maven to the path variable also. Let's go back to our environment variables and copy this one till bin folder. Go to your environment variables, search for environment here in the start bar, and yeah, in the path just edit it and add your Maven path is not there here by default, right? So just click on new and paste your Maven path till bin folder. Click OK. OK, and then click on OK. Now let's let's open the new command prompt. In your start button, you can just search for cmd to open this command prompt. To open that environment variables, in your start button, you can search for environment, then that window will be open for you. Okay, now let's search mvn space hyphen version. Let's click enter. Yeah, now it is visible. So now Apache Maven 3.8.6 is installed in your system. So we have successfully installed Java, Maven, and we have set up the environment variables. Now you should install Anypoint Studio. To do that, you can just Google it. You will get that link directly. Otherwise, I will provide the link in the description also. So just to go to this download Anypoint Studio link and fill up this form. Like you need a Mule and Studio, select this option and calm down, select this version. You need to select the latest version. Latest version is 7.15 by this time of recording this video. So maybe new version they released, you need to select the new version. But please make sure to select the latest is the option here. And you can give your name here and any valid email ID, because it will share you the link for you to download the studio. So give any valid email ID, your email ID. Okay. For you, I have another email ID. I'm just giving it. Okay, and you can give any company name, any job title, any phone number, industry. You can fill any details here. Just select the country as India if you are in India. Otherwise, select the region just according to your location. And once you click on download, what it will happen? I have already downloaded and installed, so that is why I'm not doing it again. I just wanted to show you the steps. Okay, once you click on download here, it will not download directly. It will send you a mail to your mailbox. Okay, in that mail you will find link for to download this studio, something like this. Okay, invitation to Anypoint platform is there now, something like this. You will receive a mail from Anypoint platform or Anypoint Mulesoft. Okay, something like that. You will get a mail from the Anypoint platform. Then in that mail itself you will see a link for you. So once you click on that link, it will get downloaded. So it will downloaded a zip file for you, just Anypoint Studio zip, something like this. One second. Yeah, like this, Anypoint Studio 7.15 Win64 na. So like this it will download a zip file for you. It is 2.2 GB. All you need to do is like just right click on this folder and select the extract and extract this also in the same folder, like installation folder which you have created, right? So there you can just extract it. And yeah, once you extract that, it will it will extract the folder like this. Forget about my path. I have to restart this everything, so I just install it in some other path. Okay, so the folder will structure will looks like this. So then to start the studio, what you have to do, you need to just double click on this icon. It will start the studio for you. Then we need to select the workspace and all. We will see the details in our next video. Okay, no problem. So this is the Anypoint studio. Then you need to create an account in Anypoint platform. Anypoint platform is nothing but CloudHub. In this CloudHub, you need to create an account just like a Gmail account which you are going to create in Gmail. Just like that, you need to create one account in Anypoint platform like CloudHub, which is a 30 days trial account. So you can use most of the features in Anypoint platform or CloudHub for this trial account. Apart from couple of features like Anypoint MQ or some other advanced features will not be available until unless we brought the license. Now that is not required for us. Okay, so just try to create an account. Let me just open this. Sometimes it is not opening. Let me just open here. For this also you can just Google it, the Anypoint platform, or else you can just click on this link which I am going to share with you. It will show you a screen. For the first time you have to create the account. Something is down. Let me try in another browser. If you face any issues to open this, just open this in private window, incognito window, then it will get open. So see, Mulesoft from Salesforce. As I said, like Salesforce is acquired Mulesoft, right? So just they updated the UI also recently. So if you don't have any account as the first time, just click on the sign up. And you need to fill these details: full name, email, phone number, company, username, and this username and password you can give any name, but you need to remember this username and password. Okay, so give properly and make a note of it somewhere. Then you need to click on this I am not robot. Then you have to click this condition, accept and create the account. Just click on that. As I have already recently created an account, I don't want to create it again. I just wanted to log in. So like this, you can just give any username and any password for you. Okay, so once you click on sign in, it will open the you can just ignore it for now. It will open the UI for you. So good evening Claire, like that. So recently this UI is also updated by Mulesoft. A new release is also there. So we can observe a lot of differences in this features also, access management features and all, if you are already familiar with the old version. If you are just started with this new version, no, you don't need to worry about the other things. Just start blindly and just learn it one by one, no problem. Okay, so just create an account like that. This is also one thing you need to do. Then you need to install the Postman. Postman is nothing but a tool by using which we can test our applications, test our REST APIs. Okay, so you can just search for Postman download, or I can provide the link also. So download Postman for free. You need to click on this Windows 64-bit. It will get the downloaded zip file for you. To install it, just you need to double click on it. Okay, and then just accept all the defaults. Just click on next, just like we did for Java. So this Postman also will get installed in your system. Then once it is successfully installed, it will show you the UI like this. I already installed it in my system, so I just open it. It will show you in this way. It will get loaded. Yeah, like this you will see the Postman tool which is installed in your system. Let me just minimize it. So that is one thing. And the other thing, just create an account in Azure DevOps, because we are going to use coding repository in Azure DevOps, and we will learn a couple of more things related to Azure DevOps. So maybe from the day one itself we will not use this, but just to create an account we will use in our upcoming videos while we are going to work on coding repository. So this is the Azure DevOps URL. I'll just yeah, So this is Azure DevOps one. Just click on Start Free. It won't ask you for any credit card or anything. Just create an account, just like we did for CloudHub and all. See, dev.azure.com. As I have already created account, it is showing my account. But for the first time, just create an account. Let me just log out and show you. It will ask you a couple of questions actually. Those are all the just basic questions where we are filling up this form. Okay, so in this Azure DevOps, just try to create an account. uh, my Microsoft account, and yeah, it will expect Microsoft account only. So if you have Gmail account, then you need to turn it as a Microsoft account. It will automatically turn it for you. You no need to worry. Then just yeah, create an account for this Azure DevOps to work with this coding repository repos and all. We will see this in maybe half of the course. We will just see all these things in detail. Then you need to install another one which is called git bash. Don't worry about all these tools right now. I just wanted to list out everything in the one video just to make you understand what needs to be done in future. So you can just click on this git downloads, and you can just click on Windows and download this 64-bit. Click on this, it will get downloaded. You need to just click on next, 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 and install to install it. So this many stuff you have to install, and make sure you install all these things, because we will be using this git bash and Azure DevOps all together in half of the course itself to commit the code, to get the code, because that is also our day-to-day activity as a Mulesoft developer. We need to follow all these things in our real-time project. So I would like to show you everything in the real-time scenario itself, because once you joined in your organization, you need to understand all these tools, Postman and all, right? So that's it for this video. Please subscribe, share, and like our channel. We will meet in our another video, and we will go further. Thank you.